1,
Lo que quieren todos.
6, 7, tiki 1.
Cuando el amor nos llega.
Hello, La Suerte Dance School. Michal and Anna, welcome again. This will be a completely new course, another course on our channel. It will be Bachata Beginners course for couples. Some of you were asking us to do it, and we are going to do it. We'll start as usual with very simple elements, and as always, we'll progress to something more exciting, more fun, something that you can use during your social dancing, even if you already danced a bit of bachata before. However, we start this class assuming that you haven't done much, but we hope that you already done some of our beginners classes solo, because we explained all bachata steps already before in another course. Again, I'm putting links right now in cards, so they should be flashing as I talk. If you haven't done it yet, please go there first and then come back to this video, because we will not go through the basic steps very slowly. We'll show you how it works in couple, but you have to take care of your feet first. In general, when you're learning any type of dances in couples, is it salsa, bachata, merengue, kizomba, there are always many elements to consider when you're learning. There is definitely a footwork. There is following and leading idea. So one of us is leading, showing what to do. Second one is following. So this is how it works in couple as well. Obviously, there is musicality aspect. There are many other elements like learning how to move your body, very important in bachata. So again, if you haven't started your body isolation classes yet, now is the best time to do it. Every Thursday we do the live class, but there are around 40 live sessions already pre-recorded. Do them as often as you can, even maybe every day. It might be definitely worth it if you would like to dance bachata on some nice level. Definitely something to think about. Bachata is a dance from Dominican Republic. It's a lot slower than salsa. It's a bit easier than salsa. The concepts of following and leading are quite similar. So if you have completed already our beginner salsa course, bachata should be very simple for you. However, if bachata is your first dance, it might be still quite challenging. We'll explain everything really starting from the basics. So let's start. We'll keep rotating a lot, so you will see how it works from all possible angles. First, how to hold your partners. We have two different positions to start with. First one in bachata is an open position. When I show her thumbs of my two hands, she holds them both, and I close my fingers on top of it. Now, Anna's arms at the same time are tense. So can you tense your arms, Anna? You see what is happening. My arms are tense as well. So in between us, in here, we have created a frame. And this frame is something what helps you to lead and follow. Something that you really have to consider to develop as soon as possible. The easiest way to develop is to push your partner around. You can walk around the room and just keep pushing yourself or pulling, and try to keep this distance between you always the same. Don't worry about feet. Don't worry which foot you are moving with. It really doesn't matter at the beginning. The most important is to feel when you are going forward, when you are going backwards, and when you are going to the side. And during all of these exercises, there should be similar distance between you. And obviously, you should feel resistance as well. So this resistance, developing this resistance, the strength in your arms will definitely help you developing as dancers. Okay. So we'll start with basic step to the side. This is the step that normally people do as first one. Again, we've done it already during our beginners course solo. So go there if you want to redo the steps by yourself. Now, what is important again to note is that I start with my left foot when Anna starts with the right. All our solo classes, we start with the same foot, and it's left for both of us. In here, girls are starting with opposite foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Cheeky. 5, 6, 7. Chuku. 1, 2, 3. Cheeky. 5, 6, 7. Stop. So we are traveling with 3 steps and tap to the side. 5, 6, 7. A bit slower. 1, 2, 3. And tap. 5, 6, 7, and tap. There is still resistance in our arms, hop, tiki, but they are swinging slowly to the side. 5, 6, 7, and tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. 5, 6, 7, and tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. And 5, 6, 7, and tap. Okay, we'll show you side view one more time. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3. Tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku. Even when we are doing it slowly now, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku. This is around regular bachata speed. There are some songs that are tiny bit faster, and definitely old school bachata is faster. But the modern bachata music, something what people would call bachata moderna or bachata sensual, songs for this type of dances are very, very slow. Tiki, pum. Okay, so this will be step number 1. Second one. We'll do the same pattern, so 3 steps and tap, traveling front and back. Again, we showed you already that during our course solo. And again, the same thing that you have to understand is that girls are starting with the right foot going back, while guys are going with the left forward. So 5, 6, 7, front, 1, 2, 3, and tap. Guys back, girls front, hop and tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap, and 5, 6, 7, and tap. Left, right, tiki, right, and tuku, left, and tiki, right, a bit slower. As you can see, there should be no danger on stepping on each other's feet, because when she goes with the right back, I go with the left forward. So she already made a space for my foot. Yeah, there is absolutely no problem. What's more, there is still distance between us. 5, 6, 7, hop, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku, 1, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, stop. Okay, we'll rotate and do exactly the same. Now from this camera, I mean, I know that I'm a lot bigger than Anna, and probably you can't see Anna much from behind my back, but from the front camera, definitely you can see that my left foot is also slightly outside, the same as her left foot. If you can put it, Anna, a bit forward so they can see that, yeah, there is a distance between. So our legs are crossing, really. We are not standing exactly opposite each other. We are slightly shifted. And because of that, again, we have more space for our feet. It will matter when we close position. 5, 6, forward, go. 1, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku, 1, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku, 1, 2, 3, tap and right, and tap, left, and tap, right, and tap, left, and tap, and right, and tap. Fantastic. So, at this point, exercise number 1. We would like to travel to left and right, and front and back, and keep changing it. So I will shout for now when we are changing. 5, basic side we go. 1, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku, 1, 2, 3, tiki, front and back we go. Push, 1, 2, 3, and pull gently. And hop and push, 1, 2, 3, and pull, guys. 5, 6, 7, and push. 1, 2, 3, basic side, hop, tap and side, hop, tiki, tiki, pa, 5, 6, 7, tuku, small steps, because we have limited space, and 1, 2, 3, and front and back we go. Actually, probably your space is quite limited in your rooms as well. 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, so small steps, 5, and a basic side, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. You could ask, how do you know to change direction? How does girl know to change direction? Because obviously now I'm shouting, but you cannot dance like this. Anna, get ready, front, push. No, it doesn't work like that. So actually, I already gave you an answer a second ago. You have to push. So after basic to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is the moment when we are tapping to give the next signal. And my next signal is just a small press on my thumbs. And when I do that, Anna feels, he wants me to change direction. So she goes back. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Tap. And always the tap is the moment to change. Now, Going to the side is a lot trickier because what she feels is the movement of whole frame. I'm not pushing, not pulling. Whole my body is swinging slowly to the side. King, king, king. So this way she can feel, I should change. Tick, cuckoo, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Then, without any words, we can just travel any direction. And this is, and again, something I would like you to practice. And king, 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 boom. Just traveling left and right in open position with solid frame, and just keep pushing your partners. Obviously, it might work a little bit better with music, and that's what we are going to do now. Okay, let's do it a couple of times. I'll shout first. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1.
Cuando el amor nos llega,
1,
todo es tan bonito. Nos
1,
hace
2,
soñar,
3,
nos
5,
deja
6,
vivir
7, 1, 2,
algo tan
3,
distinto.
5, 6, 7, 1, 2,
Cuando el amor
3,
nos llega,
6, 7, and 1, 2,
cambia
3,
el cariño.
6, 7, tiki,
Porque
1, 2,
no es igual
3,
amar el que
6,
querer
7,
no es
and
lo
1.
mismo.
And we go front and back. Hop, 1,
Y es tan
2, 3,
bonito mi vida,
6, 7, tap, 1, 2,
que nos
3,
estemos
back,
amando.
6, 7, tap,
Porque
1,
hoy el
2,
amor
3, tap, 5,
por
6,
la
7, tap, 1,
y nos está
and basic
acariciando.
side, hop, 1,
Y es tan bonito
tap,
mi
5,
vida,
6, 7, tap, 1,
que nos estemos
tap, 5,
amando.
6, 7, tap,
Que
1,
cuando me besas,
5,
dejas
6, 7,
disfrutar
1,
lo más dulce
one more
que
time,
he
front and
probado.
back, hop,
Es que es
now,
tan
1,
lindo
6, 7,
el
and 1,
amor.
and one more time to the
Atiendo los
side,
sentimientos,
hop,
mi
1.
gente.
Okay, now I will stop talking for a moment, and I'll give you a moment to try it by yourself. You can change direction whenever you are ready.
Cuando el amor nos llega, puede ser
I'll count you. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3,
y te lleva a
5,
conocer
1,
lo que quieren todos.
6, 7, tiki, 1,
Cuando el amor nos llega,
6, 7, and 1,
nos llena de ilusiones y nos hace saltar y nos deja
6,
vibrar
7, tiki, 1,
a
2, 3,
todos los corazones.
6, 7, 1,
Y
6,
es tan bonito mi vida,
7, tiki, 1,
que nos estemos amando.
6, 7,
Porque
1,
hoy el amor
5,
por la ventana
and 1,
y nos está acariciando.
6, 7, tiki, 1,
Y es tan bonito mi vida,
and nice one.
que nos
At the beginning, when you start learning bachata, or when you start learning any dance, probably the thing you would like to achieve is to get in sync with your partner, to start feeling what your partner is doing and follow the same patterns together. Yeah, so if I start moving, I expect Anna to be there with me. And obviously, from leading perspective, I'm learning to read signals from her as well. If I feel something doesn't work, if I do thing in my head that I think is correct, but she completely doesn't respond, probably it's not correct. So this is one of the things that we unfortunately can't help you online. If you were here with us, we would check your tension, we would dance with you, and you would know if it's good or bad or what you should correct. If you have only one partner all the time, it's a bit more tricky. However, it's definitely possible to develop. That's why we'll run this course very, very slowly with a lot of practice elements. So if you would like to see the next episode in which we'll show you how to close position and how to do the same movements in close position, how to fluently open it, how to make it looking effortless. Be here with us. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We'll see you in the next class. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.